My name is Franz Degen. I'm the CEO of Dewesoft Austria. Right now I want to show you the latest technology, the latest innovation in data acquisition units. Data acquisition units are done for 30, 40 years. I do it and sell it for 30 years. But this is unique. Why? Look at this. We have several input channels and you connect any sensor. You don't even know what kind of sensitivity. The dual core technology running two ranges will care about that. You just connect, you measure. You have small signal inputs, you have high signal inputs, microvolts or high voltage, vibration, counter, whatever. That's it, and we will show you how you're going to use that in a minute. The HV module from microvolts to kilovolts, one range, because of this dual core technology, gives you voltage measurement if you have two or more, power measurement with all the power calculations. We're going to show you more now. Dewesoft Sirius. Now we have shown you so many small little things about small signals. But now we want to show you the big thing about the big signal. Therefore we need the high voltage module. What I'm doing right now, I just take these two wires and connect it to our line voltage. That means 220 volts. Immediately we can see here the line voltage as an RMS value and also as a peak value. The triggered oscilloscope and the recorder. This just to show you how simple that could be to record some data. What is unique again? You know the dual core, you remember? We have a huge range. How about if I disconnect this? If I disconnect this and you see still on my FFT analyzer, this works like an antenna. We see all the harmonics here running. Of course, if I make a short circuit, then this disappears. So that means I show you now on an open range, if I go to the full scale here, then you clearly can see millivolts in the areas. You see this is plus minus 10, plus minus 20 millivolts signal right now. Also, you know, when I touch it, I can see quite all the millivolts. And if I connect this to my line voltage or high voltage, I can measure the full up to 1000 volts full scale. So this is really the unique feature on having high voltage and low voltage all in one module. So the nice thing here is again that all these different frequencies, different analog signals, millivolt, microvolts and kilovolts, no interference in between, fully isolated, fully protected. This is the next generation of data acquisition. To show you that all these channels at the same time, I just have prepared a simple signal to remember, okay, you see I have here the counter signal to measure the RPM on the last channel. I have here my 220 volt signal. I have here my nice tuning fork on this red one. And of course I have here my sensor signal from the ICP sensor. This is unique, this small instrument. This, whenever you want to do some measurements, that's the right one and the only one.